Hey folks, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be solving my first Lego. This is actually my first Lego, and I have had some building blocks sort of toys, but not a proper Lego. So this is a gift actually. So I've got this, and we'll try to solve it. And this is my first Lego, so I also want to make you go through it, and so that you can also understand if there's anything to understand actually. So let's begin. So let's start. So we'll open the box. I've already unpacked this, but so this is the tire, I guess. This is the instruction manual I think we'll need in order to solve this. Oh my god, there are a lot of pages. It's gonna take a little time. Take this out. I think these are all the packets. There is some more bags. Then more bags. I think we're done with it. Okay. So there are 4 tires, I think, which is obviously not a building set because you can't build a tire. So that's a bead. These are tires, and I think this is the main machinery because since this is a pullback thing sort of thing. So I think this is the machinery for that. This is the main framing for that. So we'll try to solve this. I think. And these are the stickers, I guess. We'll apply this in the end, I guess. Okay, whatever. So I think I saw some unboxing videos, and the boxes were actually, if I remember right, were in plastics and not in paper. So I think these are in paper. It's a good eco-friendly thing, and that's a great thing. So let's is there a series to... Yeah, so we'll start. I am really not sure on which box to open first. Let's go by small ones. I'm not sure if I should go with the small one, but yep. I'll open this one first. Oh my god, there are a lot of parts. Okay. I'll open it. So these are a lot of parts, and I'm really not sure how to start. Ideally there should be some 7. I've not got this. Okay. Okay, this was, I guess, not the thing that I should have opened, but I've opened it anyways. So I think maybe I should go with small box. No, not this one. There should be as this is showing that I should have a steel rod, I think, for this. Let's open it. Oh my god, there are a lot of small parts, as I can see. Oh, it's a spring. Okay. There are a lot of small parts. I think I'll open the last one as well. Okay, so this one has some parts I think that are more helpful. So while we are at it, let me explain you, let me tell you some of my learnings as a first time Lego builder. So yeah, this was my first Lego, and as mentioned in the thumbnail as well. Yeah, so this was my first Lego. So the first step would be that there are like there are packets given for all the parts, but it has all the parts, like there's no sequence to it. What you make sure is that unpack all the bags and keep it on a table, because it's not like that a single you have to completely solve one packet, then you have to open the next packet. It's not like that. I was kind of thinking that it would be that way, but it's completely not like that. Open all the packets together and keep all the parts together. That is the first thing. The second part is that when you are building, so this book would be your obviously the go-to guide, because apart from this, I don't think how are you are going to build it as a first time Lego builder. Maybe after with time you can build it on your own, but as first time I don't think there's a way you can build it, but sure. So there are actually scale images given. So like suppose this part, so what you say is that there's an image given at the bottom, so you can actually put the part on the page, and so that and it should align with the size. Basically there are parts of different sizes of the same, like which look like same. So in order to make sure that this is the exact step and this is the exact part that you need to keep on this, so that you can know, okay, yeah, this is the right part, and you can start making it. So I think this is a very useful guide. I was not aware that that would be available. This helped me a lot. Now the third part and the final key takeaways is that it actually is an issue that since this is a vehicle, the parts are more or less symmetrical, basically mirror images of each other. So what happened is, instead of taking a left piece, I took a right piece, and when I finally got to the left piece, I thought that part was missing, but actually it wasn't the case. I used a different piece, different as in the mirror image of that piece, because while doing it was not that visible, but when I got to the final stage it was visible, and I thought that parts is missing, but that was actually not the case. So what I discovered very later, and I had to break it and had to remake it. It was cumbersome. I really enjoyed making it, but breaking it and remaking is hectic. So make sure to keep in mind that there's a number assigned to each part also, that here it's given 15. So on that specific part there would be a 15 imprinted on that part. So make sure to use that part if you think that you might be using the wrong part, because sometimes it could be the case. So as you can see in this video also, there's a number 6 given on this part. I'm not sure if this is visible or not, but yeah, that is how it works. And it actually helps because it actually helps because there are some basically mirror images of parts. Like there are two parts that those are mirror images of each other. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share about the learnings in this video. Let's continue making. Okay, I think we are ready with the final vehicle now. So as you can see, this is the final vehicle, and I think I really love the vehicle, the way it looks, and it's a pullback actually. So when you basically pull the tire, it would rotate. You can play, and the pullbacks are very smooth, and so I really like this design also. This is a monster truck. This cost me like 3,500 rupees, which I know slightly expensive. I actually bought it offline. Maybe I should have looked online first. It might have been slightly cheaper, but whatever. So this is, I think this is really good, and it looks really good. You feel very nice. It's sort of a dopamine release because you have built it on your own in 2 to 3 hours. You spent a lot of time on it. So yeah, it does look good, and since you have made it, it feels even more precious. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share in this video. I hope you like the video, and please like the video if you like the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.